Welcome to another episode of Boat Snoop. I'm your host, Clint Johnson, and I'm excited. We got a small little boat for you guys today, so it won't be a long video. But what we have for you guys today is a 2013 NauticStar 2200 center console. And she is a nice little boat. There we can see that it says NauticStar. But I love this blue color on these center consoles, and then with the white, beautiful. Note that we do have a Minn Kota trolling motor up on the bow, but this hull, she looks to be, for 2013, in pretty darn good condition. This boat also does come with a trailer, so stick with me until the end of the video and I will be showing the trailer as well and its condition. We'll come around quickly here. We'll take a look at this Yamaha 4-stroke motor, 150 horse. She seems to be in really good condition. I mean, as to be expected as well. I mean, this boat's kept on a dry rack when not in use, so that generally, just for a boat in general, is a good thing. But let's hop on board. This will be a quick video, you know, because there's not a whole ton on a 22-foot boat. But we'll go take a look. She's a nice boat. Now, before I show you the rest of the boat, I do want to point out that, one, we got a little bit of wind today, so if you get a little bit of wind, forgive me. I do have some better audio equipment that's been performing a lot better in wind, but it's strong enough that we might get a little bit, so I apologize. The other thing is, for those of you that are actually looking at this YouTube channel to buy a boat, you should be able to find the listing link with price, more details, stuff like that in the description. If you click on that link and it goes nowhere, that means you're probably watching this video down the road and the boat's been sold. So, and especially if it's a year, 2, 3 years later, you know, a million years later, you click that link, I can almost guarantee it's going to be sold. But go ahead and try it anyhow if you're interested in buying a boat like this. And if it works, it's still available. Anyhow, let's hop up onto this boat. I mean, obviously, this is center console. She's all set up for fishing. I will open up a bunch of the lockers today just because it is a smaller boat. And so that gives me a little bit more time to show you that sort of thing. Like I said, this boat pretty much set up for fishing. So you have a bunch of rod holders for when you're actively fishing. But in addition, on the port and starboard sides, you have rod holders. Looks like there's 3 there, and then additionally on the starboard side you have 3 more. Since we're here at the helm station, we'll take a quick look here. We have a really nice Humminbird Solex 15 chart plotter. We have our simple gauge cluster with RPMs, miles per hour, temperature, oil pressure, and fuel. As we move down, we have our trim tab controls, and we have a whole bunch of switches to operate all of our equipment, like navigation lights, bilges, that sort of thing. And here's a shot of the whole helm station. Do want to point out, it does have a good sized bench seat. That's enough room for really 2 people to sit. Big ice chest cooler fits under there and does come with the boat. And as we look at the aft end of the boat, we obviously have this one seat right here from when you're fishing. You just sit there, it gives you a good view. But while underway, we have 2 additional seats. Those 2 seats fold right on up, or they fold down, stow out of the way. But that gives 2 additional people seats here in the back. And I really like that. That's a nice feature. Then we have a pretty good size, I'm not going to open it up, but little storage locker there, here back aft. Now moving forward, we have a whole ton of lockers with storage. And you can see them. Storage, 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 and more storage. So I'm going to open those up and just give a quick show of those. So like I said, there's a lot of storage. We got 5 different storage areas. So now moving forward, you will notice that the background is different, and that's because I make mistakes, and I didn't realize I hadn't pressed record a couple days ago when taking this initial video, and I missed the whole bow section showing you guys that. So we're going to do that now. So once again, moving forward, all we really have up here is we do have this single seat. It's a nice one, gives you a great view from up on the bow. We have here's a closer look at this Minn Kota Riptide trolling motor. We'll do a quick swing around, get a view from the bow, and that just leaves us basically with this one additional seat up here. Nice wide seat for someone to sit in. In addition, we have a live well underneath, and let me show you that. And here's a closer view of this live well. All right, we're kind of at the point where we are going to move on, and I'm going to show you guys the trailer, and that'll be just about that. And here we are at this trailer for this NauticStar 2200. It is a McLean trailer, and it looks to be in pretty nice shape, actually. Even has a nice little step up here, little handle. Get up onto the boat that way. Somebody who would like to purchase the boat, it does have a 4-pin, is how it's rigged up. Everything looks to be in pretty good condition. Nice spare. Frame itself looks to be in really good shape. The bunk padding, all really nice shape. All the pads, they're there all the way down. They all look to be in really good shape. All the main tires look to be in good shape. All the hubs. Nice guides with padding. And this comes with this boat. So I just wanted to show you guys this here at the end of the video. Well, thank you again for joining me on this episode of Boat Snoop, where we took a look at a 2013 NauticStar 2200 center console. Really nice little boat. I hope you really like that. And then we took a look at our trailer, which we still got in the back here. Anyhow, if you liked this video, you found it helpful, or you just enjoyed it, make sure to hit that thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos in the future from me, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time.